Introducing Whiteboard Reports, your ultimate reporting tool within Jira. It's designed for teams who want to turn their reports into clear, visual insights. Inspired by the user-friendly whiteboard experience in Confluence, Whiteboard Reports brings an intuitive, flexible, and visual way to manage reports directly within Jira. Imagine presenting complex data in a way that's easy for everyone to understand, simple, straightforward, and visually engaging. Whiteboard Reports empowers your team to create, share, and edit dynamic reports that fit your specific needs. Whiteboard Reports offers a free-form reporting platform, giving you complete freedom without any design constraints. Need more space? No problem. Every report is fully resizable to fit your content, no matter how big or small. Switch effortlessly between edit and presentation modes to focus on creation or showcase your metrics. Add text boxes, sticky notes, and formatted text to add context to your presentation. It's quite easy and useful. Built with Atlassian's Forge, Whiteboard Reports prioritizes security. Your data stays within Atlassian's infrastructure and is rendered in real time. We don't copy nor store your Jira data, ensuring maximum security and peace of mind. Jira is quite the powerhouse when it comes to managing projects and processes of all types. That's why Whiteboard Reports is such a handy tool. It allows all kinds of teams within Jira to keep a close eye on their results with ease. Ready to bring your reports to life? Download Whiteboard Reports today and enjoy a 30-day free trial. Check by yourself how data-driven decisions can enhance your team's results. Whiteboard Reports. Reporting should be easy, not a secret.